Hello, I'm Tony Anderson. Thank you for taking time to watch this short video. Homeowners regularly proceed without guidance of any kind through the often financially and emotionally devastating prospect of foreclosure. Speaking with a well-informed, licensed real estate professional is the best course of action for a homeowner in distress. It's important to understand that you are not alone. Consider these statistics. Last year, nearly 65,000 properties in the Tampa Bay area received a foreclosure filing. That represents 1 in 20 homes that were in some stage of the foreclosure process. Today, 1 out of 6 homeowners in America is behind on mortgage payments. These are tough and frustrating times. You may not realize it, but you have options. Foreclosure can be avoided, your credit can be saved, and your financial future can be salvaged. I'm going to share with you 5 things that you should know when facing foreclosure. Point 1. Let's talk about the foreclosure process. If you fall behind in your mortgage payments, your lender has the right to foreclose on your home. If monthly mortgage payments are not made, the lender may require full payment of the loan. An acceleration letter will be sent to your home. The letter will set a deadline for full payment of the past due amount. If the amount is not paid, foreclosure proceedings begin. Next, the lender sends your file to an attorney to start legal action. The attorney's fees are added to the amount due. If the resale value of your home is lower than the amount owed, you can end up owing the difference, also known as a deficiency judgment. Once the court-ordered foreclosure sale takes place, you lose your home and its equity. An unfavorable rating will appear on your credit report for 7 years. A bad credit history can make it difficult to rent a home, borrow money, or in some instances, get a job. In Florida, the lender can obtain a deficiency judgment against a homeowner for any amount they are unable to recuperate through a foreclosure or short sale. This means that if you have a mortgage of $200,000 and the bank forecloses and sells the property at a foreclosure auction for $125,000, they could obtain a deficiency judgment for $75,000. This allows the lender to pursue collections against the homeowner for $75,000. In Florida, the lender has up to 5 years to file the legal action against the homeowner for the deficiency, and the lender has up to 20 years to pursue collection of the deficiency. So it is important to understand that walking away from the property or allowing foreclosure are not good solutions because they can result in deficiency judgments against you. Point 2. You have options. Although a lender is not required to accept any offers or renegotiate the terms of your loan, there are alternatives to foreclosure. Forbearance. Your lender may be willing to work with you to temporarily lower or suspend your payments. Usually, the unpaid amount is added to the back end of the loan. Modification. If you have the means to afford mortgage payments, your lender may qualify you for a mortgage modification. A modification changes the existing terms of your loan to a payment that is more affordable. Refinance. If you have sufficient equity, income, and your credit has not suffered as a result of missed payments, and your property can appraise for the refinanced amount, you may be able to refinance the debt and extend the term of your loan. Sell the home. If there is sufficient equity in the property, you may be able to sell your property for more than what is due on the mortgage loan. Pre-foreclosure or short sale. In a short sale, the proceeds from the sale fall short of the balance owed on the loan. Your lender may allow a short sale if they believe that it will result in a smaller financial loss than foreclosing. For you, the credit disaster of a completed foreclosure is avoided. Deed in lieu of foreclosure. As a last resort, you may be able to voluntarily give back your property to the lender. This won't save your house, but it may help your chances of getting another mortgage loan in the future. Remember, it is important to consider if the option you choose can result in a deficiency balance and how that will be resolved. Point 3. What about the deficiency? There are many reasons to avoid foreclosure. Here are a few. You will always have to disclose that you've had a foreclosure on any mortgage application in the future. This can have an adverse effect on your future mortgage rates. Credit scores will be lowered dramatically and be a devastating credit issue in relation to future credit availability. Many employers run credit checks on prospective employees, and foreclosure could put a potential new hire in jeopardy. Security clearances for government, military, and law enforcement positions can be jeopardized by a foreclosure. Your lender can seek a deficiency judgment against you to collect any amount they do not recuperate at a foreclosure or bank sale. When considering all consequences of options that may result in a deficiency, a short sale of the property gives you the best opportunity to negotiate with your lender for release of liability of the deficiency. Point 4. How does a short sale work? A short sale occurs when a negotiation is entered into with a homeowner's mortgage company or companies to accept less than the full balance of the loan at closing. A buyer closes on the property and the property is sold short. A short sale is not a get-out-of-my-mortgage-free card. If you are upside down on your mortgage, meaning the value of your property is less than you owe, and you merely want to sell, it is not a potential short sale. In order to have a short sale approved, you either have to be in foreclosure or headed towards foreclosure. This means that you must have a valid financial hardship that causes you to be unable to pay the mortgage. Acceptable hardships include loss of employment, income reduction, business failure, death of spouse, severe illness, divorce, relocation, military service, mortgage payment increases due to adjustable rates or terms, and other reasons. Advantages of a short sale include avoiding foreclosure and its consequences, less impact on your credit score, and in some cases, you can receive relocation assistance from the lender. And it is an opportunity to negotiate deficiency settlement. Point 5. Success stories. You might be asking, why would a lender accept a short sale? Lenders and financial institutions are in the finance business, not the real estate business. They do not want your property. In most all cases, the net proceeds to the lender will be higher through the short sale process rather than through foreclosure. With the approval of a short sale, lenders avoid the cost of legal fees, eviction, maintenance and repairs of the property, taxes, insurance, and other carrying costs they would be liable for if they took ownership. My team and I have assisted many homeowners to avoid foreclosure. Among other industry certifications, I have been certified as a short sale and foreclosure resource, or SFR. SFR training and certification provides realtors with the critical skills to help sellers maneuver the complexities of short sales. Additionally, I hold the CDPE certification, which stands for Certified Distressed Property Expert. A CDPE has a thorough understanding of complex issues in today's turbulent real estate industry and knowledge of foreclosure avoidance options available to homeowners. CDPEs can provide solutions, specifically short sales, for homeowners facing market hardships. Ask us about our specific success stories. We are experienced professionals. Make sure that you seek help from an experienced real estate professional or attorney. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope you found this information valuable. Chances are you or someone you know is facing the possibility of foreclosure. But you need to understand you are not alone. Today, 1 out of 6 homeowners in America is behind on mortgage payments. These are tough and frustrating times. Now more than ever, it's important to identify your options. Foreclosure can be avoided, your credit can be saved, and your financial future can be salvaged. Through my experience handling distressed properties, I found that homeowners today have more questions than answers about their circumstances. I can answer most of your questions in a short 5-minute conversation. If you would like to know more about your options, please call me at 727-251-3268. I'm here to help you in any way that I can.